Want to earn from DePIN using just your own PC? In this video, I will show you how to run a full Blockcast node, completely free, no VPS, no fancy hardware. Let's get started. What you will learn in this video: you will learn how to install Docker and Git, how to clone the Blockcast repo, and how to set your wallet address, and finally how to run your node in minutes. Stay tuned and don't skip a part. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for weekly crypto nodes videos. Step 1. Install Docker on your PC. First, install Docker on your PC. This is the software that will run your Blockcast node in a container. To download it, go to docker.com, scroll down a little bit and click on Download Docker. Choose your operating system. It's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I'm using Windows, so I will choose Windows. After downloading it, set it up and run it. Make sure it's running completely without any flaws. Our next step is to download and set up the Docker, the GitHub repository. I will leave the full documentation down in the description. When you get into it, you will download the Blockcast beacon Docker compose file from the GitHub repository, which will take you here. Click on Docker compose, then click on this download icon. Here it's downloaded. Go show in folder. This is a very crucial and important step. Create a new folder. Name it anything you want. I will name it block. Here's our block. Move the Docker compose file into the folder. So it's here inside the folder. Click here in the directory section, delete it and click on CMD. Here is it. The next step is to type in docker compose up -d. Click on enter and just wait until it's retrieving the necessary information. So it's pulling. We will have to wait. I will cut the video and we will be back together again. Now, after the pulling is over, to check everything is running fine, use the following command: docker compose ps. You should see something like this. That means everything is running fine. The next step is to get your hardware ID. How to get it? Use the following command, click enter, and you will get your hardware ID, your challenge key. We will use it there on the dashboard. Now we are on the dashboard. Click on Manage Nodes. Click on Register Node. Then you should type in your hardware ID, your challenge key, and your name. You can change it, or you can also put your location manually. After doing all of this, click on Register Node. I have already registered my node, and as it says here, it's online. It might take some time for your points to show up because it's still in early stages. And that's it. Your Blockcast node is now up and running completely free and fully local. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DePIN tutorials and crypto nodes guides.